It's gonna look really cool.
What can I do to help you?
Well, I'm trying to get these candles to stand up straight.
What?
They're good.
Good, right?
They look amazing.
Yeah?
It's gonna be so cool.
Okay.
Yeah, I like all these
One,
little
two,
tombstones the
three,
girls
four
made too.
more here.
Okay.
So cute.
Yeah, I think we're good here too.
You want me to take over? Your arm's getting tired?
Now, just take what I could use.
Yeah.
Just a quarter piece of that stick tore off,
Okay.
and then stretch it out, and then I'll put it in this candle.
Tear off a quarter piece and
Yeah, like
stretch it out.
peeling apart.
There's so many. So many people
There
have
you go.
died.
Yeah, I put the
crap.
baby in the back.
Okay.
Because, you know,
Mm-hmm.
some of these are a little rough.
They were really getting into it.
Is that too much?
Nope, nope.